Today we have a Seagate expansion. You saw the reflection just now, innit? See it? Yeah. Try to get rid of that. Okay, start again. Okay, hi ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Today we've just purchased what's cost us 130 quid for a Seagate external drive. Alright. Now, we were iffing and butting because at first we were going to get a desktop. No, this is classed as a desktop. We were going to get a portable drive, but then we thought, we won't be moving it anyway. We just want it to remain one place. And the price of the desktop in comparison to the portable, you sort of like getting double for your money. So anyway, we made the decision and we came to an 8 terabyte. Okay. Anyway, let's just pop this open and see. If you look at it all around, you can see basically warranty advice and stuff like that. So we get our knife. We got a bit of tape there. We ain't gonna bother with that. We just put our knife through there and go across, back the other way, and to the end. Then we pop this bit out. Is that how it comes out? No, it looks like the whole thing is in an enclosure. Okay, let's go from the other corner. No, that's the back. Let's cut it open whatever way we can. We've done this side, so we get it like that. Get our knife under it. Get it out of the plastic. Now, here we can see a bit better. There you go. Pop that open. Pop that open. We just give it a little shake. No. Pull this package out first. And inside here we have, pop that open. That open. Got a little box of goodies. Let's see what we have. We have a lead to connect from your PC to your hard drive. Let's put that there for now. So inside here we have a lot of little bits and pieces. Let's just go for it, see what it is. There you are. So we have, this is your main supply. I'd imagine that goes to your hard drive, and then at the end there, push that, slide that up, gives you multiple options depending on what country you're in. So we're in the UK, so we'll be using this one. Try it the other way around according to the arrow. Yeah, there you go. Push it and it locks in. To change it, press the button, slide it backwards halfway, lift it out. Then you put your other one, whichever country it is. It's got an arrow on there. Again, halfway, push it in, locks. Press the button, slide backwards. There it is. So we have no use for all of those. Only one we need is this one. So if we follow oh mate, our videos are always jokes. There you go. We're good to go. Right, now the rest of these we have no use for, so if you want them, let me know. I'll send them to you. Right, now back to our box, and here is our hard drive. Grab all of that. Must admit, when I first got it, the box did feel heavy. Here we have our little booklet that will give you all the guidance and direction you'll need. We're not going to go through it because I've got my glasses on and I still can't see, so we don't want to be here all day. But we also have a diagram just there showing you what you got to do. Now USB 3.0. That's the connection number 2. So it's a USB 3.0. Alright, let's put that away for a minute. And here's our little baby. So we take that off of there. Pull it out of there. It's a fair weight, And where's our connection? Our connections there, our mains, which we have here. Yeah, that will go in there, just like that. And our USB 3.0, which is this one. We'll take that out of the wrapper. These are what I would personally would call idiot proof. You can't plug them in wrong. So get that one and plug that in there. Now I'm looking at it and I can't see no light at the moment. Maybe there is a light on it somewhere, and until we plug it in we won't know. But that just sits on your desktop. There's your power supply, and this cable just plugs into the USB of your device, and that's when you need to go to the instructions if your device doesn't see it straight away. So that's about it till we plug it in and see how it goes, and then we'll give you an update. But for the meantime, from tradespeople's tips, remember, as we say, if you're out there robbing people, stop doing it.